I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your system is 64-bit and has at least 1 GB free. This avoids install failures. Once done, choose a JDK release. Pick long-term support if you want stability or the latest for new features. Make sure to download the x64 MSI installer and run it as administrator so permissions are set correctly. During install, opt into adding Java to path if offered. This saves manual steps and lets you run Java and Javac from any command prompt immediately. Now configure environment variables so development works across tools. Open System Properties, edit environment variables, create Java Home pointing to the JDK folder, and append %Java Home %bin to path. This ensures both Java and Javac resolve. Once saved, open a new PowerShell or command prompt. Existing shells won't see changes, and run Java version and Javac version to verify. If versions match expected JDK, you're set. This step links the runtime and compiler to your shell and IDEs automatically. Finish by testing real workflows. Create hello. Java, run Javac hello. Java to compile, then Java hello to execute. For runnable jars, right-click and choose Open with Java Platform SE binary or Run Java jar app. Jar. If an IDE like IntelliJ or Eclipse doesn't detect the JDK, point its settings to your Java home. If something goes wrong, check path and Java home first, then reinstall the same JDK edition. Mismatched 32-bit versus 64-bit installs or leftover old path entries are the most common causes and are simple to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.